good morning everyone! We are already here, another guitar tutorial in another video. I think they call this Love by Elliot James Ray. So, here we go! Okay, so meron po tayong chord sa intro na 4. And siyempre, gagamitin natin ng capo. Kasi yung chords niya is E flat. So, para mas madali, gagamitin natin ng capo in the first fret. Yan. So, magiging D na siya. Yan. Yung intro niya, yan, may D, B minor, Eagle minor, and A. Yan. Yun yung intro. Yung sa verse niya is parang intro rin na chords. Ulitin na yung intro. Yeah. They say knowing you now that it's face it no for so long. Ayan. Yun yung chords na sa verse. So yung sa refrain, meron na siyang F sharp 7, B minor, A, and G. So, yung sa refrain na chords, getting old, balik. Yan. F sharp, hesitation, balik F sharp, minor, yung sa B minor, parang hinabigla yun. Then sa chorus na chords, yan, may D, B minor, Eagle minor, and A. All I need is a right love for every day. Darling, loving this love. Yun sa chords na, yun sa chords na, no? You can say G, B minor, Eagle, and G, and G's love. Balik intro. Yung sa chorus. All I need, all I need is a right love for every day. Darling, G, C, B, yan. When ko is love. Balik intro. Once my kiss friend, vibration, yan. Yung Dun sa chorus, pare-pare na chords. And then sa Trinsky, may eagle, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, B, yan. Yan sa bridge na chords. May A, D, C sharp minor, F sharp. Yan, so ganito. Lagi twin B, F sharp, A, B, yan. Yan, so again sa Trinsky na chords, may eagle, guitar solo, la la, ano, la la la, la 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 la, bridge. Let it be, C sharp, D sharp, in E, baby. Yan. So sa chorus na Trinsky, may chords na eagle pa rin. Eagle, all I need is alright. For everyone. This is love. Yan. Chorus again. All alone for everyone. Darling, is love. Hey, you say balik F sharp minor, F sharp equal A, equals is love. So yun yung mga chords na I think they call this love by Elliot James Ray. So sana nakuha ninyo, and see you in my next guitar tutorial. Thank you.